Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make money selling free templates on Envato Elements. So it's super easy. You can do it from anywhere in the world, guys, with a little to none initial investment. It's amazing side hustle for you right now in 2024, guys. So let's get started. First thing first, please listen to me carefully, follow every single possible step because it's really doable, guys. So you can check it out right here. For example, you can explore it, guys, on Envato Elements right here. You can see, for example, plenty of amazing stuff for you. This is a huge marketplace where you can find some amazing templates, video format, presentation, photos, it ain't matter, something like that, guys. You can check it out for yourself. AI search is here as well, and everything down below. Free files, curated, recently added right here. Pink sunset is here as well. Young Asian woman, and so on and so on. Sunburst and so on, guys. You can check out everything from stock videos, video templates, music, sound effects, graphic templates, guys, graphics, presentation templates, photos, fonts, add-ons, more, and so on. First thing first, you need to make an account. I will not teach you how to make an account, guys. I'm aware that you all know how to do that. It's super easy. Basically, you can connect your Google account, guys. You can just type it in your password and mail, and you're good to go. But what I want to show you right now, it depends on where you are in the world. You can actually receive 7 days free trial. Right now, you can check it out, guys. That per month individual subscription is $16.50 per month right here. And you can see start now, millions of creative assets, unlimited downloads, simple commercial licensing, cancel anytime. And you have this amazing other stuff, guys. Teams, 3 members, enterprise right here, unlimited creative assets for organizations, agencies, teams of 6+ members, everything in team plus right here. You can check it out. But we're going to focus on this right here. First package, guys. So what we need to know here, you can, for example, type in, guys, from right here, Instagram. Let's check it out. Instagram templates. And let's see what will pop up. You can see right here, guys, for example, graphic templates. You can see 30,000. So competition is pretty high right here, guys. 30,800. You can scroll down below, video templates and so on. Graphics right here, 7,244. Presentation templates and so on. So you can pick any single one of those. You can change the name, change everything, guys, and get amazing Instagram template that will bring your Instagram account to whole another level. But we're not here to bring your Instagram account to whole another level, guys. We're here to find a person that needs that from you. So what we need to do here, guys, what I'm going to show you, and the biggest catch right here right now for this part of the video, is to find your customers. So what we need to do here, guys, to go to Google Maps right now, let's go to the maps and type in, for example, let's check it out, dentist Nantucket. Let's see what will pop up. Here we can check it out. There's plenty of dentists, small businesses and everything, and they all want to upgrade their game, guys, to whole another level, of course, and you are here to help them out. And I always recommend you guys to focus on US. Of course, you can focus on UK and Australia, something like that, guys, on the countries that has huge buying power. And the US is maybe the #1 in the world right now, guys. So definitely focus on that. And you can check it out, for example, Windmill Family Dental. You can see the website right here. You can see for ACK Dental Art right here. We can press on them, guys, and be redirected to their website straight away. You can check it out. You can find if they have an Instagram, guys, account. You can find if they have any social media or something like that, but they do not need necessary to have one. Instagram right here. Let's press on it and see what will pop up on their Instagram. And take a look at this. Right here, you can check it out. 117 followers, guys. Not so much right here. Some easy pictures, guys. Some basic templates, let's say that way. And I'm aware that this doctor, this dentist, for example, wants to bring its game to another level. And you are jumping in right here. You can type them, direct message Instagram, on some other social media, through their website, mail, or something like that. You need to contact them. Not only them, but plenty of other dentists, plumbers, roofers, guys. It ain't matter, electricians, small businesses that have some difficulties in managing their account, because of course they are running a business. They maybe do not have time to run a social media, and we all know that in today's world in 2024, social media equals money, equals customers. So yes, that's something that you should present to them, guys. And of course, your negotiation skills are crucial in this part. Of course, you can offer them some amazing templates, guys, right here. Of course, on elements.envato, guys, I said you can change the name and everything. You just purchase your basic plan right now. We saw moments before, $16.5, but also you can make your own templates right here, guys, for example in canva.com. Social media section is here, popular, let's check it out. Instagram is here, guys, Instagram post square, and right here you can make your own signature designs, guys. So check it out. As I said, you can explore it, your imagination, your creativity, and everything is coming out right now, guys. So please, here, be free. You can make something unique, something that people will like, and you can type in right here, for example, even the dentist one, of course. You can type in right here as well, dentist Instagram templates, and find something, find an inspiration for your own template, guys. Please keep that in your mind for your own template. So check it out. As I said, it's definitely super easy. But what I want to point out else, guys, if you want to bring your own game to another level to earn even bigger amount of money, what you need to do here is, of course, to bring your service up. So you're not just offering a templates, guys, you're offering to them entire social media management. And if you don't know how to do that, well, here we are, outsourcing as well, guys. Fiverr freelance right here, what we're gonna find out, guys. Social media manager, let's type that in, and here right now we can check it out. We can find some amazing social media managers, guys, offer to them the job, for example, our dentist, and then we can earn a commission, guys. We can be a middleman. They can do all the work. The dentist will be satisfied with their account. It will have more customers, guys, and of course we will have some amazing side profit. So think about it. You can do it on Fiverr, on Upwork, on any single one of those platforms, guys, for a job, of course. So think about it, check it out right now, and yes, it's definitely super easy and anyone can do it. And remember, Envato.com can solve half of your problems, literally, guys. After that, as I said, Canva is here for your own imagination, for your own inspiration, guys, to make your own template. And after that, as I said, you can either offer templates to some small business, find them on Google Maps, guys, focus on high quality countries, guys, on huge buying power countries, of course, because of course that's where the profit is. And then after that, if you maybe want to earn even more money, guys, then that's where your negotiation skills and outsourcing skills coming out, as I said, and anyone can do it. That's the beauty of it, guys. We need Fiverr, we need Upwork, and some similar platforms, guys, and you're basically good to go. Find people, find your customer, and negotiate the price, then find a person who will do it for you for a slightly less price, guys. Then of course you're a middleman, as I said, and you earn some amazing amount of profit. Think about it. It's super easy. What you need, guys, everything will be down below in the description section. Go to Envato and make your amazing account, guys, right here. Check out Canva. I'm aware that you already checked it out, guys, sometimes in your life. Do your own designs. Find some amazing people, guys, who will do the work for you. And then, as I said, of course, find customers in some amazing parts of smaller towns of US that I recommended that. So yeah, check it out. High buying power is the key right now, guys, because $100 or $200 for people, for them will be nothing. For small businesses will be nothing if you can bring them 5, 10, 20, who knows how much people to their office, to their work, guys, so they can make even a bigger amount of profit. Think about it, and thank you for watching this video. Until the next time, goodbye.